Want to know how to make this simple and irresistible dish? Today I'm showing you how to prepare Ovos Rotos. Crispy potatoes topped with fried eggs, cured ham, and bacon. Finish the traditional way so the yolks melt into everything. Stay with me till the end for all the exclusive tips. Ovos Rotos. 4 potatoes cut into fries, 4 eggs, 200 grams of thinly sliced cured ham, chopped bacon, olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, oil for frying. Heat the oil in a sauté pan and fry the potatoes until golden. Remove and season with fine salt. Fry the eggs in a little olive oil, keeping the yolks runny. Fry the bacon until lightly crisp. In a serving dish, place the fried potatoes, add the bacon, then the cured ham, and finish with the eggs. At the table, break the eggs over the potatoes and mix well so the yolks coat everything. Serve hot. And this is Ovos Rotos, simple, comforting, and full of flavor, just the way it should be. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments what you'd like me to cook next. Faça e coma! Dry potatoes to fry better and become crispier. Season the potatoes while they're still hot so the salt sticks better. Runny yolks are essential. They're what bring the dish together. Don't overcook the bacon, it should stay tender.